Let me share with you how to make an incredibly fragrant and spicy beef noodle soup. This is a recipe you can have ready in about 10 minutes. The result is a bowl of noodles soaked in a savory broth with beef that is both tender and full of flavor, truly revealing your favorite noodle shop. Start with 250 grams of a tender beef cut like sirloin or flank. Slice it into thin, bite-sized pieces. Place the beef in a bowl and season it with half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for rich color. Use your hands to mix this well, ensuring every piece is coated. Finish by adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to seal in the moisture. Then set it aside. Take about 10 dried red chilies. Place them in a small bowl and cover them with warm water. Let them soak for 10 minutes. This makes them release more flavor into the dish and helps prevent them from burning. When we cook them later, place a wok or a large pan over high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the marinated beef slices. Spread them out and stir fry quickly for just 1 or 2 minutes, only until they are no longer red and have changed color. Once the beef is seared, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of fermented bean paste known as doubanjiang. Continue to stir fry over high heat for another minute. You will smell the deep, spicy aroma blooming from the pan. Now add the soaked dried chilies to the wok. Stir everything together for another 30 seconds, just until the chilies become fragrant. Your beef should now be fully cooked and coated in a glossy, spicy sauce. Transfer it all to a clean plate. In the same wok or a medium-sized pot, add a small piece, about 30 grams of hot pot base. Let it melt over medium heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir and cook them for 1 minute until they smell wonderful. Pour in 1 liter of boiling water into the pot. For seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the heat. Bring this broth to a steady boil. Once the broth is boiling, add 200 grams of your favorite fresh noodles directly into the pot. Let them cook according to the package instructions. When the noodles are almost perfectly tender, add the cooked spicy beef back into the soup to warm through. Turn off the heat. To finish, stir in a large handful of fresh cilantro and 1 tablespoon of spicy chili oil. Give it one final, gentle stir. Lather the steaming noodles, rich broth, and tender beef into a deep bowl. This first spoonful of the complex aromatic broth with the savory beef is a deeply comforting and satisfying experience.